Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've missed you. I feel like I haven't done a video in forever because I haven't. So this video is going to be a little update, and then I am in the process of organizing all the things. You can see how tall the stack of organizers that I have to share with you are. They're right here. But first of all, thank you for being here and continuing to watch my videos. I posted that video in December of me taking down the Christmas. Sorry, that video took me forever, and that whole process took forever. And then New Year's Day, I didn't feel good, and I didn't feel good for several days, and like it was about 12 days that I did not feel good. If you can imagine, like everybody else in this country, everybody's sick. And so I was sick. And then we went to a wedding in Arizona, and we were gone for 5 days there. And then we came back, and I was trying to catch up on everything from being sick and then being gone. And I've been really crazy at work. We have lots of things going on. Sorry if you can hear the dog, but that is where I've been. But we're home now, and we're all settled, and I'm ready to be back. And we've started some projects, hence the haul that I want to show you guys today. Also, I'll address this really fast here because BRB. Sorry. My dog, her dog food is right behind the couch here, and so she was going to town, and I don't want you guys to sit and hear that. Anyway, I was gonna say I wanted to address really fast. I know some of you guys follow me here and on Instagram, and I haven't been posting on Instagram, and I don't know how long that's gonna last. I just am not feeling it over there. I get on there, you know, sporadically, but I'm not consumed by it anymore. And I don't have really anything I feel like I want to post or share on there. And so I will be back. I know I'll be back in March because I have a really fun collab that I'm doing with some wallpaper, and I'm really excited about that. So I will be over there sharing that, and I'll share it here too because it's really cute and really exciting. But without further ado, let's get into the haul part. All right, I'm going to share some home decor and a ton of organization, bins and things that I'm using. I have lots of projects that I'm working on. We'll talk about that in just a second, but before we do, let me show you the home decor, just in case that's the only reason you're here, because it is some fun, cute Valentine's stuff and just some other stuff. Anyway, the first thing I want to share with you is this print. Is it not gorgeous? I bought only an 11 by 14 because I wanted to make sure that I loved the colors, and I do. I will link the Etsy shop below that I got this print from, and then I just ordered this from Shutterfly, and I wanted it to look like a painting, and that is exactly what it did. What it does look like. I got the matte, but then I got some kind of like luster coating on top. And I love it. So I do think that I'm gonna get this blown up, probably a pretty large, and I'm going to put it in my entryway or behind me on that wall. I really kind of wanted a mirror for my entryway, but I don't know if you guys, I was like so excited about the new Studio McGee line that launched. I mean, there wasn't a ton of things that I loved, but there was a mirror that I adored. It was like a black arched mirror, sold out, and it's only available online. So I'm gonna hold out for that for a little bit, but in the meantime, I wanted to try this out because I still haven't decorated anywhere in my living room or my kitchen since Christmas. And so I'm ready to do it because I'm feeling good and we're not crazy right now. So I wanted to share that with you. If you need affordable artwork, this is such a beautiful way to do it. And I'm just in love. I love like the whites and the grays and the greens. It's right up my alley. Those are my colors. So I'm so excited about that. I mean, and it even kind of has like a grayish blue, which I'm loving putting these pillows back on my couch. I've had those for a while. Okay, sorry, I'm kind of long-winded because I haven't done this for a while, but let me show you some cute things I picked up at Walmart for Valentine's Day. So I got just this really cute tea towel that has black hearts on it. Is it the best quality? No, but I think it's really cute to hang on my stove for Christmas. I also got another one that has these rainbows on it. I don't think this is necessarily Christmas, but I really thought it was cute. So there's those. And then I got this darling table runner. I think I've made something like this. I think I have done a DIY last year with these X's and O's. I'll link those below. I did a whole series last year on Christmas, or not Christmas, Valentine DIYs from the dollar store. And this is so cute. I still don't have a kitchen table, but I might just put this on my folding table and dress it up. You never know. So that's some home from Walmart. And then let's move on to Target. I got a few things recently. I got this little pot. I think it's darling. It says I love you on there, but I like it for all year round. I think it's so cute. And then I just potted it a little fluffy ruffle fern in it. I don't know if the fern will survive, but I'm gonna be optimistic and water this baby like crazy. But I got this for my kitchen and I just think it's so cute. And I love the color of this pot. All right, the next thing we got our front door done, and then it was Christmas, and so I put my Christmas wreath on there, so I didn't have anything to put on my front door when I took that down. And so I love me a boxwood wreath. So I got this preserved one from Target. It's kind of pricey, but it's worth every penny, and I love it. And it looks absolutely beautiful on my front door. It is kind of big. I think it's a 24-inch one, and you guys, you can't beat it. I have another one of these that's a smaller one that I've had for years, and it's kind of lightened in color, but it still looks so good. And I have it hanging above my stove right now. But anyway, she needed her own, my door needed her own beautiful wreath, so I picked that up recently. Those are good for anywhere, over a mirror. I just love them. I love them. And then we got this Home Sweet Home. This is kind of a little organization little thing too. I leave my purse and my keys everywhere, so my husband is like, you need this. And he's like, and it's cute and it goes with our gold and everywhere in our kitchen. You need this. So I got this, and that will lead me into the organization part of the video. So we finished the flooring in our closet as you walk in the front door. And while I'd love to use that as a coat closet, I need storage for like my broom, all my cleaning supplies, my vacuum, and things like that. So that's what I'm gonna use that for. So I'm working on that closet. I'm working on the hall closet that has all of my towels and medicine and like bathroom backstock, because my bathroom doesn't have a ton of storage. So working on that. And then we have kind of overhauled our closet. I'll pop in a before picture, and then I will pop in a photo of where we're at currently. It's just blank. And so that is why I have all of this storage stuff. So like I said, it's not everything is for the closet, but a lot of it is, and I think it's gonna look cute and functional, because that is what I'm going for. We have a lot of stuff to put in that closet, and it's very small, and so I'm going to have to maximize the space the best that I can. And so I probably have more than I need here, but I'm going to use what I need and then with all 3 projects. And then if I have anything left over, I'll return it. But I don't think I will, because I still don't think I have enough of certain types of things. So let's just go with that. I've shown a basket similar to this one before. It was just smaller, so I got these bigger ones. And I thought we could put our hoodies and bigger clothing items like folded neatly and put them in here. And then going with the same wicker basket, I got another one of these. This is the same kind of basket I use in my bathroom. But the top of our closet, there's not a lot of room. Like there's a lot of, it's high, but there's like the front of the closet, like between the shelf and the front of the closet, there's not enough room. And so a big basket like those, which I love to line the top of closets with, all my kids have those in theirs. I needed something, you know, pretty big. I mean, this is a pretty big basket, but it's not very tall. So I got a couple of these to go on the top. And then those are from Target, if I didn't say that. And then I picked up a lot of stuff from Walmart, because you guys, Walmart is killing it. So if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, it will be linked below. I am just so excited about some of this stuff. I can't even wait. I just can't even wait. Okay, so I got 2 of these. These are not gonna work in the closet. They are just too big. And so I'm going to give one of these to my daughter, and then maybe use one of these in my cleaning closet. I'm not sure, but I do think they're adorable, and my daughter already has 4 of these in her closet. Like I said, these are what I use to put along the top so they can put all of their whatever they want in there. So I wanted to still share them with you because they're beautiful. They're like a gray and white stripe with a really pretty natural rope handle. I do like these. I usually don't like the cardboard fabric bins, but these are actually really good quality. So they have held up really well in all of the kids' closets. And that's saying something, right? And we've moved and we've left the stuff in those and just transported those, and they're still fine. Okay, with the fabric bins, I got this gray one. Again, this one's a little bit not as tall. I'm still leery about this, but like I said, I don't know what's gonna work and what's not. I've made a list of all of the things that I need to organize, and then I'm just trying to fit what works best for that item. Okay, here's the fun part. You guys, I am a huge fan of the Home Edit. Are you? Do you know what the Home Edit is or who they are? They're so cute. They have a show on Netflix. And when I was in Utah, not last summer, but the summer before, we would watch that every night. And when I left there, I was like, I'm going on my way home. I'm stopping at the Container Store and I'm stocking up on those acrylic bins. I cannot get enough of them. I went to the Container Store and I was just gutted because one bin cost $30. And I was like, well, for the amount that I'm gonna need, there's no way I can afford that. However, Walmart and the Home Edit did a collaboration and I am just dying over it. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you is they came out with these these different edits. And so this one is the Pantry edit, and it comes with 2 of the large bins, which I'm gonna show you in a minute because I bought extra of those. 1 acrylic riser and 2 large insert bins. So they have like bins to go inside of the bigger bin, which I don't think I will use it that way because maybe I will, I don't know yet. But I'm just excited. And guess what? The best part is all 5 of these bins cost $25. $5 a bin. You cannot beat it. You cannot beat it. And because the quality is just like, is it just like Container Store? No, it's not. But I don't care. I like it. I'm in love with it. Can you tell how excited I am? Okay, moving along. I got 2 sets of these, but you get 2 like narrower bins, which you can see they have, like, this is like for food items. But I thought maybe I could use these for, hold on. That's really loud. Okay, never mind. Anyway, I thought I could use these in my pantry. So like I said, I'm gonna use these somewhere. I have so many places, or in my medicine closet type thing, that I could put a bunch of my wash rags in these. I don't know. You're gonna come along with me to find out. And I cannot wait. Okay, next on the list. This is a big box, but I got 50 of these. This is not from Walmart. This is the best deal I've ever seen on these hangers. You get 50 of them for $12.99. Costco. Go get you some. You won't beat the price. Okay, this one is probably my favorite of the different collections that they have. This one is the laundry bin. This one comes with a Lazy Susan, 2 of the bigger bins, 1 and 2 of the narrower bins. Perfect for a laundry room. I cannot wait. Yeah, this one's my favorite. And then this is just one of those bigger bins. These are gonna be helpful in my closet, I think. I put like t-shirts in there, folded nicely. Okay, my battery's dying, so let's see if I can get this done. The last one is the multi-purpose, and this comes with 2 of these, the inserts that go in those, medium and a small. So lots of bins. They're $25. You cannot beat it at all. Okay, last thing I got is from Lowe's, and that's where I got my whole system for the closet. And it's just this really cute, big, white bin. This is so cute. They had different sizes. My idea for this was to put shoes in it. I don't know if that's still gonna be the case because the arrangement in the closet didn't go as planned. But either way, this will be staying. It might go in my entry closet. I'm not sure. I love that though. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Come back because my closet video will be next, because that is what I'm working on today. And I will catch you guys in my next video. I hope you're well and healthy. And I'm just sending you all my love, and